Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 22 that I have worked with pale green hobby store DK special yarn from Magic Needles. Its color code is 5012. This pattern requires multiples of 6 plus 1 stitches, or when you do it as an individual project, multiples of 6 plus 2 chains. To begin with, in our blanket we are having 302, so we are having 1 extra stitch over there, and in my swatch I have 3 extra stitches that will be adjusted at both ends in the swatch, but in the blanket at least only in one end you need to adjust the stitch. To begin with, I will turn my work, place my first single crochet here because we are beginning the pattern in a single crochet, so I am placing one single crochet here at the very first stitch. This stitch is not counted, the pattern starts from here. So single crochet for the pattern, chain 3. We began with single crochet, so skip 1 and place 3 DC puff in the next. 3 half closed double crochets all in the same stitch. You'll have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 4. Chain 3. Then skip 3 stitches, and in the fourth, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one place 1 single crochet. After every single crochet, you will make chain 3, skip 1, 3 DC puff in the next. After every puff stitch, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in the fourth from the puff. So that is the pattern repeat. I will make one more time and show you. I have done my single crochet here, hence 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1, puff in the next. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochet in the next. So this is how the pattern continues for this particular row. I will meet you at the end over here. I have placed my last single crochet of the pattern repeat in this stitch here. I am ideally left with 2 stitches. Those are the extra stitches that I have in my pattern swatch. So I will simply make 1 single crochet in each of them. Turn your work. So make a standing DC or chain 3 here, because this row begins with double crochet, hence first 2 are not counted in the pattern. So I always begin with my standing twisted DC. This is not counted in the pattern, the next one is not counted in the pattern, so the next one is counted in the pattern. So here the pattern begins. Having done this, chain 3, and then skip this chain 3 loop, place a single crochet over here on the 3 DC puff. Having done that, chain 3, place 3 DC puff in the next chain 3 loop here, that is connecting the single crochet and the puff stitch. Here you have to place the 3 DC puff stitch. Chain 3, skip the SC and the next chain 3 loop, place a single crochet on the 3 DC puff. Again chain 3, 3 DC puff in the chain 3 loop. This is the pattern repeat. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I have placed my last chain 3 DC puff here. Now I'm going to place my treble in the last single crochet. This is the pattern beginning single crochet, and this is the extra single crochet. Here I'm simply going to place a treble, but here I'm going to end with my treble. And turn your work. For the blanket, I have stopped with this and I've placed my DC row here, and this, for this pattern I have done the DC row in a little different manner, like I have used DCs as well as trebles. So over the SCs I have made trebles, and over the chains and the puff I have used DCs to make those 302 stitches in the blanket, and for this swatch 34 stitches. So I will come back when I finish it and show you. So when I complete the DC rows, I am getting one extra stitch, and similarly you will get one extra stitch to be adjusted in the blanket. So what I am going to do is I am going to place two DCs together in the next two DCs, or next two stitches, and then place my last DC in the last stitch or the turning chain, whichever is your method of working. So for my sample swatch, I began with 34 DCs. I'm ending with 34. In the blanket, you have to end it with 302 stitches for this particular pattern. For every pattern, you have to end with 302 DCs. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a nice time. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload our new videos. I shall meet you in the next video with the next pattern. Bye for now.